Will HEX make 1000x soon? Hello everyone and welcome back to this video about the potential of HEX. As we all know, the cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility and unpredictability, making it difficult for investors to accurately predict the future of any particular coin. However, in recent months, HEX has been gaining momentum and has emerged as one of the most promising projects in the cryptosphere. With the upcoming launch of Pulsechain and its potential impact on the crypto world, many are wondering if HEX will reach the elusive 1000x mark. In this video, we will dive into the price potential of HEX and explore the factors that could lead to its exponential growth. Watch this video till the end so you don't miss anything. But before going further, it's important to know that this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest videos. Now, let's get started. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving and changing, with new projects emerging and gaining popularity every day. One such project that has been making waves recently is HEX, which has quickly become one of the most searched cryptocurrencies on the internet. According to Lunar Crush, a crypto social intelligence aggregator, HEX currently ranks 6th in its list of top 10 trending searches, just behind Phantom or FTM. However, Bitcoin or BTC, the original cryptocurrency, still holds the top spot on the list. While HEX's popularity is undeniable, many are also interested in its potential price growth. During a recent Q&A session, one user asked Richard Hart, the founder of HEX, if he could give a price expectation for PLS, referring to Pulsechain, Hart's upcoming project. Hart responded that he does not provide price predictions, but he did state what he believes could happen after launch. Hart previously predicted that HEX could do a 10,000x, and his prediction turned out to be accurate. Now, he is forecasting that HEX could do a 1000x. So despite these potential obstacles, altcoins like HEX have been gaining popularity in the cryptocurrency sphere, particularly among small market cap coins. Lunar Crush has pointed out how the price change of HEX is linked to its increase in social engagement. According to the platform, HEX has shown a weekly rise of 7% each time its social engagements hit a 3-month high, and the network is currently heading in the same direction. In the last week alone, the social mentions around HEX peaked by 31.2%, while social engagements rose by 27%. HEX's weekly gains have increased by 37.5%, and the asset has surged by a whopping 156.1% over the last 30 days. These gains are much higher than other assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum, whose 30-day profits were limited to double digits. However, it's important to keep in mind that HEX is still trading 87.41% below its all-time high of $0.510830. While its recent gains are impressive, there's still a long way to go before HEX can reclaim its previous high. But can HEX really do 1000x in the coming months? Let's take a look at that in detail. But don't forget to like and share this video if you haven't already. To understand the potential of HEX, it is important to know the project and how it grew into a successful project. In 2019, HEX was just starting out as a new cryptocurrency on the Ethereum blockchain. Created by Richard Hart, HEX was designed to be a high-interest savings account that rewarded holders with interest for staking their coins. One of the biggest breaking news about HEX in 2019 was its controversial launch. HEX was widely criticized by some members of the cryptocurrency community who accused Richard Hart of running a scam. Despite the controversy, HEX managed to attract a significant amount of attention from crypto investors who were intrigued by the potential returns promised by the project. Since then, HEX has evolved significantly. It has gained a dedicated following of investors who believe in the project's potential and its unique value proposition. HEX's price has seen significant volatility, reaching an all-time high of over $0.1 in 2021. The project has also introduced new features and functionality, including the ability to stake HEX for longer periods of time and earn even higher interest rates. HEX has been in recovery mode recently, which looks promising for its future performance. The cryptocurrency has been up every day by 10 to 15% since January, which is a remarkable achievement in the volatile world of crypto. The growth happening inside HEX is certainly something to be excited about. Since its launch, HEX has been steadily gaining popularity among investors and traders alike. The addition of HEX on major exchanges has only fueled this growth further, as more and more people are becoming aware of this cryptocurrency and its potential for gains. The increase in staking of HEX due to the addition on these exchanges has led to positive gains for many investors. By staking their HEX, investors are able to earn additional coins as a reward for holding onto their investment. This not only helps to increase the value of their holdings, but also strengthens the overall network by incentivizing long-term holding. While the arbitration logic and staking mechanism are hosted in the HEX smart contract, HEX leverages the Ethereum network for the transaction layer, sending or receiving HEX tokens in addition to interfacing with the HEX smart contract. HEX incorporates elements to reward actions that support capital growth and prevent behaviors that harm value. It allows an individual to bet their HEX coins for a portion of the new HEX currency issue or inflation. The HEX smart contract penalizes stakers for ending their participation too early and compensates them for holding their position for extended periods of time and higher stakes. Users can stake their HEX cryptocurrency for a high annual interest rate using certificates of deposit or CDs, a standard investment tool run by banks. Note that the coin has reportedly risen 948,000% since its launch. And yes, the site has a dedicated page to prove that it is not a scam. The official site claims that this is an economic breakthrough worthy of a Nobel Prize. But the value of the coin has dropped 90% from its ATH since its launch, and the price is currently rising due to the upcoming launch of Pulsechain. Unbelievable that some people have this eternal desire to claim that HEX is a scam when it is just a boring yield generator that was modeled after the legacy banking world's certificate of deposit. As for the codebase, it's literally Bitcoin translated to run on the Ethereum blockchain but with proof of work replaced by proof of expectation. And yes, thousands of early holders have gone on to become millionaires, decamillionaires, and even a few who may have reached the $100 million range. Everything is on the blockchain, publicly verifiable. We're not interested in converting anyone. We just think it's amazing how someone still puts their energy into trying to criticize HEX when it's been working perfectly for 2.5 years. No downtime, no drama, lots of new millionaires. Today's HEX price is $0.06 with a 24-hour trading volume of $15 million. CoinMarketCap's current ranking is number 201 with a market capitalization of $12 billion USD. It has an outstanding supply of 173 billion HEX coins and the maximum supply is not available. The potential of HEX is huge, starting with staking. Based on past performance, we can say that the value of the HEX cryptocurrency should continue to rise. In the coming months, HEX can create a new story. HEX Crypto has successfully piloted the altcoins in the past, and it is now gearing up for a big, bullish run this year as analysts predict an altcoin season in the coming months. A prominent crypto strategist, A Million or the Moon, predicts that the crypto HEX is poised to rise 10,000x by 2024. However, the analyst did not provide a specific time frame. HEX crypto is expected to reach $30 if the market skyrockets, making it a good investment option. Overall, HEX is expected to continue to grow in value over the next few years, with potential ups and downs throughout the forecast period. Current price fluctuations, however, pose uncertainty for long-term forecasts, and it is important to do your own research before making investment decisions. That's all for today's video. If you're excited about the potential of PulseX and want to stay updated on the latest developments, make sure to subscribe to our channel for informative content. We'll continue to bring you the latest updates on the launch and the projects being developed on Pulsechain. Join us on this journey and stay up to date on all things Pulsechain. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.